you see the whole city running as well. Your neighbors running faster than you, breath bloody in their throats. The boy you went to school with, who kissed you dizzy behind the old tin factory, is holding a gun, bigger than his body. You only leave home when home won't let you stay. No one leaves home unless home chases you. Fire on your feet, hot blood in your belly is not something you ever thought of doing. Until the blade burned threats into your neck. And even then, you carry the anthem under your breath. Only tearing up your passport in airport toilets, sobbing as each mouthful of paper made clear that you wouldn't be going back. You have to understand that no one puts their children on a boat unless the water is safer than the land. No one burns their palms under trains beneath carriages. No one spends days and nights in the stomach of a truck feeding on newspaper unless the miles traveled meant something more than a journey. No one crawls under fences. No one wants to be beaten, pitied. No one chooses refugee camps. Or strip searches where your body is left aching. Or prison, because prison is safer than the city of fire. And one prison guard in the night is better than a truckload of men who look like your father. No one can take it, no one can stomach it, no one's skin will be tough enough. The go home blacks, refugees, dirty immigrants, asylum seekers, sucking our country dry, niggas with their hands out, they smell strange, savage, messed up their country, and now they want to mess ours up. How do the words, the dirty looks, roll off our backs? Maybe because the blow is softer than a limb torn off. Or the words more tender than 14 men between your legs. Or the insults easier to swallow than rubble, than bone, than your child body in pieces. I want to go home. But home is the mouth of the shark. Home is the barrel of the gun. And no one will leave home unless home chased you to the shore. Unless home told you to quicken your legs, leave your clothes behind, crawl through the desert, wade through the ocean, drown, say, be hungry, beg. Forget pride. Your survival is more important. No one leaves home unless home was a sweaty voice in your ear saying, leave. Run away from me now. I don't know what I've become, but I know that anywhere is safer than here. Okay.